For centuries, Japan's story has been shaped by the sea, a nation whose culture, economy, and cuisine are inseparable from the ocean's bounty. The rhythm of the tides has long dictated daily life, from the earliest settlements to the bustling cities of today. The ocean is not just a backdrop, but a living force that has inspired art, poetry, and spiritual beliefs across generations. After World War II, fishing became a cornerstone of Japan's recovery, with fleets hauling in over 10 million tons of fish annually by the 1980s. The industry provided not only food, but also jobs and hope for a nation rebuilding from devastation. Fishing ports buzzed with activity, and the catch of the day was a symbol of resilience and renewal. The ocean wasn't just food, it was national pride and prosperity. Every successful haul was a testament to hard work and tradition, celebrated in local festivals and family gatherings. From coastal villages to city markets, fishing was a tradition, a calling passed down through generations. Skills were taught at the water's edge, and entire communities thrived on the strength of their connection to the sea. But times have changed. The fishermen who built this industry are aging, and fewer young people are willing to take their place. The lure of modern life, with its conveniences and new opportunities, has drawn many away from the demanding life at sea. The allure of city life and stable jobs has left ports quieter, and centuries of knowledge risk fading away. Once busy harbors now stand as reminders of a vibrant past, their silence echoing the uncertainty of the future. This isn't just an economic issue, it's a cultural crossroads. The rituals, songs, and stories tied to the sea are at risk, along with the livelihoods they supported. How does Japan continue its maritime legacy when fewer answer the sea's call, even as global demand for seafood grows? The challenge is not only to sustain the industry, but to keep alive the spirit and wisdom that have defined it for generations. The world still craves Japanese tuna and squid, but the hands to catch and process them are vanishing. International markets look to Japan for quality seafood, yet the workforce behind these delicacies is shrinking. Japan now faces a pivotal question: how to honor its rich maritime history while adapting to a future where the old ways can't keep the industry afloat. The answer will shape not only the fate of its fisheries, but the soul of a nation bound to the sea. The problem is clear. Japan's fishermen are aging, and few are stepping up to replace them. With the average fisherman nearing 60, the industry faces a labor crisis threatening its survival. Fewer crew means fewer boats, less catch, and a shrinking multi-billion-dollar industry. The solution? Not more people, but more machines. Enter robotics, Japan's answer to a vanishing workforce. Specialized machines now handle the most grueling, repetitive tasks, allowing smaller crews to keep ships running. The goal isn't to replace humans, but to create a partnership. Robots do the heavy lifting, humans focus on navigation and oversight. Automation makes fishing more manageable and sustainable, attracting a new generation to a modernized profession. Robots work tirelessly, gutting and hauling around the clock. This high-tech approach bridges the gap between tradition and necessity. It's a radical solution for a radical problem. Robots now share the burden of pulling food from the sea. The future of Japanese fishing is a collaboration between man and machine. Today's Japanese fishing vessels are floating data centers, where the hunt for tuna and squid is driven by artificial intelligence. Advanced sonar and thermal cameras scan deep waters, with AI distinguishing valuable fish from the rest. Human technicians, guided by real-time data, make strategic decisions from climate-controlled control rooms. This tech-driven precision targets catches efficiently and reduces environmental impact. Once a school is found, robotic arms deploy nets with unmatched accuracy, adjusting in real time to minimize bycatch. These machines fish smarter, protecting marine ecosystems while maximizing yield. A single robotic ship can haul in up to 100 tons of fish daily, operating day and night, regardless of weather. The relentless efficiency of automation has transformed fishing into a 24/7 operation. Human crews are smaller, but their expertise is amplified by technology. This is industrial fishing reimagined, where silicon and steel join the ancient quest for a big catch. The ocean's bounty is now harvested with a blend of tradition and cutting-edge science. Once a tuna or squid is hauled aboard, the race to preserve quality begins. Every second counts, as the freshness of the catch is crucial for both taste and value. Automation takes over instantly. Fish move onto conveyors, entering a floating factory where human hands are barely needed. Here, Technology ensures that the journey from sea to storage is seamless and swift. Robots handle gutting and cleaning with speed and precision, ensuring peak freshness. These machines are programmed to minimize waste and maximize yield, working tirelessly around the clock. Each fish is processed identically, guaranteeing consistent, high-quality results. Uniformity is key, as it allows for predictable quality and easier grading later in the process. Processed fish are flash frozen at -76 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in flavor and texture. This rapid freezing method prevents ice crystals from forming, preserving the delicate structure of the meat. Back on shore, automated cold storage facilities keep the catch at ultra-low temperatures, preserving color and taste for sashimi-grade quality. These warehouses are meticulously monitored to ensure optimal conditions at all times. Robots glide through these frozen warehouses, managing inventory and preparing shipments. Their efficiency reduces human error and speeds up the process of getting fish to market. AI-powered grading systems inspect each fish, analyzing fat content, color, and texture, then sorting them for different markets. This technology ensures only the best make it to premium destinations. Tuna can be filleted and cut into sashimi-ready cubes in seconds with remarkable accuracy. This level of precision was once only possible by skilled artisans. The entire process, from ocean to freezer, is a marvel of efficiency. Every stage is optimized for speed, safety, and quality. Every step is designed to maintain just-caught quality, no matter how far the fish will travel. This commitment to freshness is what sets Japanese seafood apart on the global stage. Automation ensures every piece is perfectly prepared for its global journey, packed with care and precision for markets around the world. The result, a product that meets the world's highest standards every time, delivering the taste of the ocean to tables thousands of miles away. Automation isn't just solving a labor shortage, it's powering a global seafood empire. Japan's high-tech fleets supply over 70 countries, with 70% of their tuna destined for export. Flash freezing and robotic processing guarantee that a tuna caught in the Pacific arrives in New York as fresh as the day it was landed. These exports generate over $12 billion annually, reinforcing Japan's reputation for premium seafood. The logistics are seamless. AI-graded fish are packed into refrigerated containers, shipped worldwide in a temperature-controlled supply chain. This reliability secures long-term contracts with top restaurants and supermarkets. Automation has turned fishing into a science, delivering consistent quality on a massive scale. Japan's seafood now reaches dinner tables across the globe, fresher than ever before. Amidst all this automation, some traditions remain sacred, like Tokyo's legendary tuna auctions at Toyosu Market, where the old world and the new meet before dawn. Here, robot-caught tuna are laid out in icy rows, awaiting human judgment. Each fish represents not just a catch, but a story of the sea, technology, and tradition converging. Sushi masters and buyers inspect each fish with flashlights and hooks, relying on senses honed over decades. Their expertise is irreplaceable, passed down through generations. They examine color, marbling, texture, and aroma, qualities no machine can fully judge. The subtlety of their craft is an art form, blending intuition with experience. The auction itself is a whirlwind of shouts and hand signals, where prices can soar into the millions for a single prime tuna. Every gesture and bid is charged with anticipation. This is where technology meets tradition. The final value is set by human expertise, even as digital displays and modern tools track every sale. The spectacle is a reminder that, even in a high-tech world, the art of appreciating fish remains deeply human. The energy in the room is electric, a testament to centuries of ritual. The fish may be found by AI and processed by robots, but their worth is decided by people who know quality best. Machines can assist, but only humans can truly judge excellence. Tradition and innovation collide here, shaping the future of Japanese seafood. The market is a living symbol of adaptation, where both past and future are honored. The auction is proof that some rituals endure, even as the industry evolves. The spirit of competition and respect for the catch remain unchanged. In the end, it's the human touch that crowns the ocean's finest catch, ensuring that every prize tuna is chosen with care, passion, and a deep respect for tradition. After the auction, the journey continues, from high-tech fleets to the hands of master chefs. The pristine quality preserved by automation allows chefs to craft world-renowned dishes. The finest cuts of tuna, otoro and chutoro, become melt-in-your-mouth sashimi in nigiri, where freshness is everything. Chefs use razor-sharp knives to carve perfect slices, showcasing the fish's color and marbling. Squid, too, is transformed into delicate ika-samen or grilled ikayaki, each dish highlighting the ingredient's natural sweetness and texture. Even street food benefits from this quality, with every part of the catch put to use. From elegant restaurants to bustling markets, Japan's high-tech bounty feeds the nation's soul. The fusion of tradition and technology is tasted in every bite. The rise of robots in fishing has sparked debate. Supporters see automation as essential, solving labor shortages, boosting efficiency, and preserving quality. Critics worry about lost traditions, the fading of fishermen's intuition, and a growing disconnect from the sea. There are fears that relentless efficiency could lead to overfishing if not carefully managed. The challenge is finding balance, using technology to sustain the industry without sacrificing heritage or the health of the ocean. The question remains, can progress and tradition truly coexist? As Japan embraces automation, sustainability is at the forefront. AI now helps set real-time fishing limits, adapting to protect fish populations. Smarter robots are being developed to avoid bycatch and let juvenile fish escape, preserving stocks for the future. The next frontier, zero-waste fishing, where every part of the catch is used and gear is recyclable or biodegradable. Japan aims to transform fishing into a circular, sustainable industry by 2035. It's a bold vision, balancing economic need, cultural heritage, and environmental stewardship. The world is watching as Japan navigates this high-stakes transformation. The robots are here, but the real challenge is steering them toward a future where the oceans thrive. The legacy of Japan's bond with the sea now depends on how wisely it wields its new tools.